Here we have a 1988 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Classic. It's a last edition with the Brougham trim. For those who follow the G-bodies, who own the G-bodies, know anything about them, they know that 1988 was the last year for the rear-wheel drive Oldsmobile Cutlass. Some of them were badged with the last edition badge, and this is one of them. This is actually the second one that's being viewed on the channel. Just a overall nice, clean, original car. It's not perfect, but for the age, it's a nice car. It's kind of windy where I'm at, so if you hear a lot of wind, that's why. If you notice, that's the Cutlass Supreme Classic last edition badge that's on it. I don't really got to say too much about these G-body Cutlasses. The reputation speaks for itself. It's an iconic car. One of the better selling GM cars from the late 70s and 80s. It's a G-body platform. I know a lot of people are getting these cars and LS swapping them. But something like this, I don't know if I LS swap. It's clean, all original. And I don't know, sometimes seeing these is like a breath of fresh air because you don't really see them in this condition. A lot of them are butchered, sitting up funny because they got rims on them. No shade to the people with rims and their customized cars because they do be looking nice. But sometimes when you got something clean like this and original, you just want to keep it like that. It's just something to look at. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know when I see cars in this condition, I just appreciate them for what they are. It's like a time capsule. Factory sunroof, moonroof. The top on it looks nice still. The vinyl top. All the emblems are intact. The glass is good. The vinyl trim is good. The body molding is on it, and chrome looks nice. I've always been a fan of the Euro clip. I think the 87 and 88 Cutlass are my two favorite years just because of the clip. No BFGs, the Cooper Cobras, they still look good. Chrome Cutlass rallies. One thing that's not original is the exhaust. They changed that out and put Flowmaster 40 series exhaust. It sounds good though. I'm gonna get it started here in a bit. Turn signal markers on the fender, and they work. Let's check the interior out. Another thing about the Brougham is the plush interior. I really like it, especially this color. This is a nice color combo with the red exterior, with the white top, and this burgundy plush interior. It's comfortable. It's almost like you're sitting on a couch. No buckets or console in the floor. But it's still nice. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's nice. The dash looks good. The glass is good. Everything seems to be intact and working. Headline is good. Like I said, it has a sunroof, and that's good. They got some WeatherTech style mats to protect the factory mats, and those are in good condition. Power seat. Now I see it has a rip right there, but I'm sure that's repairable. Power locks, windows. The steering wheel looks nice. Let's get in and start it up. Start it right up. it off. Check under the hood. I like that it got the AC Delco battery back in it. Appears to be a newer battery. Nothing special, just all original. 307 V8. Starts right up. Got the sunroof. And that works.